Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to claim a special half anniversary reward for day 1 in Heartopia. So starting from July 8th, the developer released a special half anniversary reward that every player can claim for free. And if you haven't claimed it yet, here's how. First, just go to your smartwatch and then just go to settings, this one. And then next just tap on redeem code, this one, and then just enter this redeem code, cherries 180, like this, and then just tap on redeem. And then just like that, the reward will be sent to your in-game mailbox. So just tap the mailbox, just go to smartwatch again, and then just choose mailbox. And then in here you can see it, you can get the several rewards on here. You get the 40 Moonlight crystal, 20 wishing stars, and then 3 rare timber, 2 flawless fluoride, 5 crafty repair kit, and then 3 quality fertilizer. And then after that, to claim it, just tap on claim like this, and just like that, that's how you can claim your half anniversary reward for day 1 in Heartopia. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.